Alright guys, welcome to another shout out video, and I'm going to talk about Captain Drone. I really love his series here on FPV for beginners, but he does some really great reviews on all kinds of the flyers and drones and stuff like that. So if you're into drones and you want to see stuff like that's under 250 grams, he has a great series on that as well. Then I'm going to talk about Flying Ryan here, and he is amazing. He's probably reviewed every single little toy on the market that flies, but also RC cars and stuff like that, the little ones, and I love his reviews. They're very, very detailed. As well, we're going to talk about Joshua Bardwell. Wow, can't say his name properly. Anyway, if you want to see how they put together an FPV drone from scratch with soldering and all that kind of stuff, this is the channel you want to look at. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.